Hey guys, I was just looking on eBay a couple hours ago, and I found this Frosty. So, I found him, doesn't seem to be anything wrong with it, and I look in the description, and, hold on, I look in the description, it says, in original box, gently used, missing adapter, moves arms, doesn't say anything about the hips moving back and forth. So, the center dimly lights, this doesn't matter, and everything looks fine, but I don't know if the hips move or not. So I email a lady who has the snowman, and I said, could I have a video to see if it works or not? So she sent me the video, and the video looks like a completely different snowman. The face is different, doesn't look anything like this. It looks like more of a 2002 model. This looks more of like a 2004 model. And so when I got the video, the snowman looks different, and the hat arm doesn't go up at all. Well, when it's on the head, it goes down. It doesn't go up. It tries to move, so that's symptoms of split gear. So we went on Amazon and bought like a 24 pack of 8-tooth gears, which is the gears for the inside of the head for the hat. And so we're gonna wait for them to come on Friday, but then we were gonna wait for them to come on Friday, and then I get an email saying this. So the snowman she actually packaged it up because my dad, he bid it on it, and he got the auction. This is an ended auction. It's hard to explain, but she sent me a video because she had 2 of them, which is this one right here. In the video, I'll show you the video in a couple minutes at the end, but dances. The arm holding the hat only comes up and down once in a while, and the snowflakes do not consistently light up. I didn't see that in the video. I only see the hat part in the video. So I actually got the other one for $25, and this is $40. So I got a good deal. But still, I don't know if this one moves the hips at all. So we gotta wait for the gears to come if that's the case. If the hips don't move, it's probably a rubber band in this case. So I'll show you the video right now.
Sweet Shake surprises here. These sweet scented cups now speak and repeat what you.
So that was the video. We're gonna wait for the snowman to come. We're gonna unbox it, see if there's anything wrong with it. If there's anything wrong with it, I'm gonna show you the entire video on how to fix it. Alright, so guys, I was reading the description, and it says the center snowflakes light up dimly. Maybe the batteries were dead, he says, but I don't know if that's true or not. So if it doesn't work, I made this. So if it doesn't work, I'm gonna unscrew the blue snowflakes, put them on these LEDs, and yeah, I'll show you a picture of it lit up right now. So yeah, that was a picture of it lit up. So yeah, so cut to really when it comes on Friday. came. Alright guys, he came. And it's not Friday, it's Thursday. He came early. Alright, let's jump into unboxing. This is hard with one hand. Hold on. There we go, opening up.
Hours later.
There he is. Wow, this is hard. Yes. Alright, I'll let you know when I get him out. Just cut to it. Alright, this is how he is when he's in the box. Bed Bath & Beyond, 20 bucks. I got him for 25 plus 15 shipping. Alright, cut to when he's out. Alright guys, here he is. When I took him out, I noticed he had a broken back lever. So we'll have to get that fixed. Let's put some batteries in him. Alright, I got some batteries in him. Let's see. There's a bad rubber band in there. That's the first thing. You could hear the motor spinning. Oh, wow. Wow. Alright, turn them off. I gotta fix this. I got them open. See that? Right here? It's cracked off somewhere in there. I either have to glue it or make a bar right here that goes to that. Alright. Okay, for the arm, this is the band that's broken. It's not broken, but it's like all stretched out, so I have these. I'm gonna put these on the arms to see if it turns. Alright, I put it on. Let's see if the arm turns. Alright, so the rubber band didn't work. I have to take apart the arm. I think it might be the split gear. So, we'll see when you're there. Okay, so this gear right here is split. Alright, so I don't have a 10-tooth gear, which that's the one that's split. So I'm gonna try something. If it doesn't work, I'll have to order it. Alright, so that didn't work. I have to go and order some 10-tooth gears now. And on Amazon, it should take about 2 days, so I guess I'll see you guys on Saturday. In the meantime, I'll try and fix the hips. Alright, so I have an old Frankie the Fish by Jemmy. So I'm seeing if there's a 10-tooth gear in here. This fish doesn't work. It doesn't come out anymore. Like, the fish doesn't swing out. So I'm going to see if there's a 10-tooth gear in here. I'll let you know what happens. I think I see a 10-tooth gear. So I found a 10-tooth gear that was in it. I think this is the broken one and this is the good one. So we're going to put it in Frosty to see if it works. Okay, I got it in. I think it works. Let's see. Okay, for the hips, this is what I got. A zip tie and a little bar. So we'll see when it's all together. I got the arm working, I think. So we'll see. And I put a new rubber band on there, because this one was stripped. Alright, let's put it on. Alright guys, I got them fully working. The only thing is this snowflake, like in the description earlier in the video I showed you, it only lights up a little bit. So I'm either going to put the red ones on that I made, and I ordered a box of LEDs on Amazon. So, yeah, I guess I'll put those on when it works, so I'll show you them. Yep, there it is. I will show you a side-by-side clip with the red lights. I got the red lights working on it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you later.